Drinking a glass of warm lemon water in the morning does not burn belly fat. It does absolutely nothing. Neither does that expensive fat-burning supplement you saw heavily advertised online. Welcome to the channel. I'm Dr. Motion. If you are new here, please like this video and subscribe to the channel right now so we can grow together and I can keep making premium fitness content for you.
If you want to actually melt that stubborn fat around your waistline, you are looking in the wrong places. You are wasting your time. The absolute secret to extreme fat loss is hidden in the first 60 minutes of your day. You know the exact feeling. You wake up early, you step on the bathroom scale, hoping for a miracle. The number has not moved, not a single fraction of a pound. You look in the mirror, that stubborn lower belly pouch is still hanging over your waistband. It is incredibly frustrating. It feels deeply unfair. You restrict your eating constantly. You sweat for hours. You skip the foods you actually enjoy, but nothing changes. The fat just sits there. It completely ignores your hard work. It makes you want to quit entirely and just give up. Let us destroy a massive lie right now. Fasted cardio is not the holy grail. Running on a completely empty stomach is terrible for your belly fat. Society tells you to wake up and grind, to burn calories before you even eat. That is a complete biological scam. Intense cardio right out of bed triggers a massive stress response. Your body panics. It thinks you are starving. It locks the fat tightly inside. This is what almost everyone does. You wake up feeling exhausted. You immediately grab your phone. You scroll through stressful news. You chug a massive black coffee. You force a miserable, soul-crushing workout. By 2 in the afternoon, you are crashing incredibly hard. You are aggressively craving sugar. Your body is not burning fat. It is actively hoarding it. To protect you, stop fighting your own biology. You need to start manipulating it. Instead of starving your body into submission, you need a completely new approach. You need to trigger the thermogenic morning sequence. This is a highly targeted sequence. Specific biological switches, flipped in the exact correct order, your body immediately shifts from storing energy to burning it. Let us make the science simple. Picture your daily metabolism as a giant industrial furnace sitting right in your core. If you throw thin newspaper in, it burns incredibly bright for seconds. Then it dies out completely. That is sugar and processed carbohydrates. To keep the furnace burning white hot, you need massive solid oak logs, a slow-burning fuel source. When you build the fire correctly, the furnace has no choice. It pulls fuel from permanent reserve tanks. Those reserve tanks are your stubborn belly fat. The true villain destroying your physique is not calories. It is an ancient survival hormone called cortisol. When it spikes at the wrong time, it commands your body to store fat directly in your midsection. Your current chaotic morning routine is a cortisol spiking machine. Here is the twist that ruins diets. Eating vastly more calories after waking up actually makes you burn more belly fat. Consuming a specific, heavy, dense breakfast forces your body to expend massive energy just trying to digest the food. It is exactly like a high-performance car. In the dead of winter, you do not immediately floor the gas. You will completely destroy the engine. You let it idle softly. You let the thick oil heat up. Your metabolism requires the exact same primer. Here is your exact, actionable sequence. Step 1. Hydrate with raw minerals immediately. Before coffee, before food, drink 20 ounces of room temperature water. With a heavy pinch of raw salt, the salt helps your cells absorb water. Step 2. Core stability activation. Spend 3 minutes engaging deep core musculature, a strict plank or a hollow body hold. Force intense blood flow directly to your midsection. Step 3. Delay your morning caffeine. Do not drink a single drop for the first 90 minutes. You will completely avoid the afternoon crash. Step 4. The protein trigger. Eat at least 30 grams of protein, steak, whole eggs, or a clean protein isolate. It permanently shuts off hunger hormones for the remainder of the day. Step 5. Direct atmospheric sunlight exposure. Get outside within 10 minutes of waking. Look directly up at the sky. It commands your brain to stop sleep hormones and optimize daily metabolism. Step 6. The cold water shock. 30 excruciating seconds of freezing cold water. This violently activates brown adipose tissue. It burns your regular belly fat just to generate body heat. Step 7. Strategic morning silence. Spend 5 full minutes. Zero external inputs. No podcasts, no loud music. Keep cortisol extremely low, and you keep belly fat extremely low. Now let me be brutally honest. You can execute these habits flawlessly, but if you eat absolute garbage, none of this matters at all. You cannot outbreathe a highly processed diet. You cannot outhydrate a massive caloric surplus. These morning habits are the perfect ignition, but your nutritional choices are the fuel. You still have to put in the work. Commit strictly to this specific sequence for exactly 4 weeks. Week 1. A massive, undeniable surge in pure energy. Week 2. Desperate afternoon sugar cravings completely disappear. Week 3. The stubborn morning bloating drops away entirely. Week 4. Your clothes will fit completely differently. Your waistline will actually start to shrink. You have spent enough of your life feeling deeply frustrated with your body. You deserve to look in the mirror and feel genuinely proud of yourself. The early mornings belong entirely to you. before the world demands your constant attention. Take absolute control of your own biology. When you aggressively win the morning, you win the entire day, and you completely transform your entire physical body. Do not just read this script and move on with your life. Try the thermogenic morning sequence, starting tomorrow morning. Leave a comment below right now. Tell me exactly which of the 7 habits you are starting with first. Take massive action today. See you in the next one.